C.3, Project 1 Walkthrough Part 5. In this part, we will do database query. We need to get data from the database and display as survey options to give our user, and the user can make selection, submit, survey for the result, final for the statistics. Yeah. All right. To do that, first, let me just, talk about the plan. Okay? Yeah. Here, it is our step number 4, right? Part 5, but we start from step 0. So that's our step number 4. The title, retrieve and display data. All right. To do that, we use 2 projects. Yeah. So we need to modify the code from 2 projects. Yeah. So one, JDBC, the database query part, animal survey. All right, yeah. Another one, yeah. Because to make different files work together, remember, I give you a sample file. Yeah. So that one, important for this step. Project 1 sample B. Okay. So we need to modify the code from these 2 examples, but this will be used as the base. Okay. Yeah, as the base. So then the JDBC code from animal survey. Yeah, because this one, Project 1 sample B, I lay out the skeleton, yeah, but I skip one important block, that is the JDBC query part. So we will fill in that block using animal survey appropriate code. Yeah, so that's simple. So that is the plan. Okay. All right, so let's work. Yeah. Hope you get your 2 examples ready. So download Project 1 sample B, unzip it, make it ready. Animal survey code also ready. Yeah. So now let me show you the details. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah. The previous example, I like to stop the server first. Right? Yeah. So let us remove the old project. All right. Then we copy the code. Okay. We create a new project using the existing code. New dynamic web project name. Project 1, because we use sample B, so I change the name a little bit, Sam B. How about that? Slightly different name than the old version. Yeah. Samp B. Yeah. Finish. All right. Yeah. Finish. Now copy the code. All right, copy the code. 2 places, web files and the Java source code. All right. Yeah, here. Sample B, right? Yeah. First, these 2 JSP files, browser.jsp. We display the browsers, right? Yeah, browsers.jsp. And welcome file, index.jsp. These 2. Put here. All right. Yeah, browser, yeah, because we need to use some Java files. So there is an error here. But after we copy the Java source code, the error will be gone. Okay. Yeah, other things, we don't have other things to copy, right? Yeah. We don't have other things to copy here. Yeah. Web, yeah, this one, because our welcome file, we use the default index.jsp. So we don't really need web.xml as the welcome file. Yeah. So let's go to the, let's go to this Java source code. Oh, just a minute. Drag under source, src. All right. So Java being servlets. All right. If you see the error sign not gone, yeah, error sign not gone, so you open the file, you move a little bit, okay? Yeah. So the browser, its own detection, not that sensitive, not that smart. So you move and save, then error sign will be gone. Yeah. It happens frequently, so don't worry. Yeah. You don't have any error. Yeah. All right. So before we add a JDBC part, let me run this project first. Make sure it works as we expected. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so it works, right? Yeah. But here, because we didn't use the data from the database, so in my servlet, I just create some items, simulated items. All right, see the servlet, the Java beans here, I just put some dummy data. It does not mean anything, some dummy data. So we need to fix that part. We need to fix the data part. All right, yeah. So how to do it? Yeah, let me show you. We used animal survey for that part. Yeah. We modify the code from there, so it will be not very hard. Yeah. First, let me just stop the server. Yeah. And stop this page. Yeah. All right. And then we get an animal survey code. Expose the JDBC part. Yeah, we need that JDBC part. Okay, yeah. First, instance variables, connection object, some query. Yeah, so we copy that part first. Yeah. But for the queries, look at the queries. What queries do we need? We want to pull all the browser names from the database. All right, yeah. So that's the, how do we call it? How do we call it? All browsers. How about that? Yep, all browsers. Yep, you just know the meaning. Yeah. After that, we need to do the database connection. This init method. Let's copy this and modify. Okay. So that's the reason I give you this project. So a lot of things you can do easily. Yeah. So we don't need to update, right? Total, yeah, we don't calculate the total, yeah. But we do something similar to this result here. Yeah. Yeah, but we use all browsers to replace the result. Yeah. So then we will modify it. Okay. Yeah, we will modify it. Yeah, here. Let me just make it simple. Yeah. Some unnecessary things. All right. Driver. Oh, we forgot to do one thing. We forgot to copy driver, right? Yeah. Because usually it is very easy to forget that step. Yeah. So we need to do that right here. Okay. Yeah. Put a driver here. Yeah. Otherwise, we will get something very embarrassed later. So copy the driver. All right, see, check it. All right, it's there. All right. Yeah, so the JDBC part. Then we change the database name, AnimalDB, to BrowserDB. Okay, BrowserDB. Good. Yeah. Spelling. Check the spelling carefully. Then select survey option. Votes ID. All right. Yeah, I like to do yeah, ID first, browser underscore name next. And we don't need votes, right? Yeah, because here we just want to display the options for our users. Why we need to know votes or visits? Yeah, we don't need that data for this particular step. We need that next step, but not this step. All right. Survey results. Our table name is also called survey results. So we don't need to change here. Order by ID. Yeah, that looks fine. Yeah. So this query looks fine. All right. Now, so this step is done. Yeah. All right. This step is done. Yeah. Okay. Then the next step, we need to do database query here. Yeah. Get survey data from database. Yeah. That's what we need to do here. Yeah. We need to go to the animal survey example. How do we get data from the database, right? Yeah. Yeah, look at here. This total way, right? Yeah, this total way. While loop this way. Yeah, this way. We use this way to help us to do it. Try block, yeah, because we need to access database. We need to do that try block. Yeah. All right. So let's do a try block here. We need to handle exception. Yeah. Catch. You know, something about database type exception. Yeah. Something about, you know, the SQL type exception. Yeah. Why so hard? Yeah. Yeah. And we don't need other things. Yeah. All right. Okay. SQL exception. What's that? Yeah. Anyway, so let's put some code there. Yeah. The code query something like this. Yeah, something like this. All right. Result set. When we need to get data, we need a result set. Okay, we need a result set. Yeah. All browsers, we don't have any parameter, so we just use all browsers, yeah, to do the query. Yeah. Yeah, let me just move this line ahead of the try block. All right, yeah. And next, I need a while loop. When I iterate through all the rows, I need this while loop. Okay, while loop, close, whatever. Yeah, I need this. Okay, I don't need those out things. Out things I don't need. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let me remove these things. I don't need those things. And my Java Bean data population, Java Bean data population, for loop. Let me put it inside. Inside, yeah, but actually I don't need we already have this while loop, right? Yeah, yeah, we already have this while loop, so we don't need that for loop. Okay, yeah, we just need, yeah, we just need these things. Yeah, let me copy here. Yeah. Browser name being set ID, we need this. Yeah, set ID, okay, ID here. Yeah. So result rs dot. We need ID. Result set dot what? Get int, right? Get integer. int, column number 1, the first column. Okay, all right. Browser name, result set dot get string, column number 2. All right, yeah, okay. All right, so that's all we need. How about that? How about that? Then we put in the list. Okay, this is the data preparation. And we don't need this for loop. Yeah. So we replace the for loop by that while loop. How about that? Good. Let's check it before we do the testing. Yeah. Everything is all right. It looks fine with me. Okay, this step. All right. Save it. All right. If everything is all right, let's run the project. See if we get what we want to have. Right click, run as, because we already run it the previous time. We just run another time. Good. Look, that's what we need. Pull the data here, none. Oh, yeah, why we still have none? Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember in my browser JSP, I put the last item none. Yeah, it's okay. I use 0 there. It's fine. Yeah. All right. So in our data processing update, so for other, we just do not do anything, right? Yeah. So we give our user that option. Yeah, it's fine. All right, so you can see this step is done. Our step number 5. Okay, we use the JDBC. We modify from the animal survey code. Okay, all these things. Then probably the last step, right? Do the survey, submit data, processing. That's probably the last step. Okay, yeah. All right, so let's stop here.